Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
The short English podcast where you listen, repeat, and speak more naturally.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Noah.
Today, we are talking about observing thoughts.
Not fighting them, not chasing them, just noticing them.
Like when anger walks in and says, "Hello, I live here now."
And we say, "Nice try, anger. You are only visiting."
That is the first step. Notice what is happening inside you.
You can say, "Okay, anger is here," without blaming yourself.
That small sentence creates a little space.
And in that space, you do not have to explode like a microwave with a fork inside.
Real-life example. Someone speaks rudely to you at work.
Your mind quickly writes a full movie. They hate me, I hate them, everyone is terrible.
Exactly. But observing means you pause and say, "A strong feeling is here."
You are not saying the feeling is good or bad.
You are just watching it, like watching clouds move across the sky.
Some clouds look serious, but they still move on.
Anger is also like an unexpected guest.
You do not need to hug it, and you do not need to punch it.
You can simply say, "Ah, you came again."
Very calm, very polite, maybe too polite for anger.
Yes, anger might feel confused and leave early.
When we feed anger with stories, it becomes bigger.
But when we observe it, it slowly loses power.
Like a lion turning into a tired cat on the sofa.
The feeling usually passes by itself.
Most emotions are visitors, not permanent residents.
Some stay for tea, some stay for dinner.
But they do not need their own bedroom in your mind.
At first, you may notice anger after you shout.
Next time, you may notice it when your voice starts rising.
Later, you may catch it while it is still warming up in the kitchen.
That is progress. You do not need to be perfect.
One day, you may catch it in a tiny moment before it fully grows.
Like shaving before the hair even comes out. Very advanced technology.
Then you can respond instead of react.
Reacting is when anger drives the car. Observing is when you gently take the keys back.
Now, let us move into shadowing practice.
Say each sentence out loud, slowly and clearly.
I can notice anger without judging myself.
A strong feeling is here, but it does not control me.
I do not have to believe every thought.
I can pause before I react.
This feeling is a visitor, not my whole life.
I can watch this thought and let it pass.
My mind is busy, but I can stay steady.
I can respond with more calm.
I do not need to join every meeting in my mind.
Anger can sit there, but it cannot drive.
I am learning to notice things earlier.
Each time I observe, I become a little freer.
I can feel the emotion without feeding the story.
A pause can change the whole conversation.
I am taking the keys back from my thoughts.
Great work today.
You practiced noticing thoughts without fighting them.
Do not try to memorize every line.
Listen again and let the rhythm become familiar.
Speak out loud, even if your voice is quiet.
Each repeat helps your English feel more natural.
And each pause helps your mind feel a little clearer.
See you in the next lesson.